The purpose of this example is to explain how Quick Pallet Maker can be used to mix boxes and cylinders on the same pallet. The first step is to run the software. Next, we will open a new datasheet starting from primary package. We won't be needing this window in the background. We change the units to inches, and we create a cylinder. Its dimensions will be 12.5 inches by 16 and be placed in height. 1 as case count and stretch wrap as a construction type. Then tools we calculate. We obtain our grams. What we do right now is right click the drawing and we export the box. The box file will be saved to a new folder. We can add a name to the box. Cylinder.box. Now we close here, we open a new data sheet, box on pallet. We change the units again. And here we will copy some box data from a file that we had selected previously. Copy it and paste. We will also add the cylinder that we had saved previously. So we select from the file menu, insert box, and we look for the cylinder. We select it, we double click the amount, and we put 12. Now we can calculate our pallet load. Select tools, calculate box shipment. And we obtain a list of pallets in which we have the boxes and the cylinders too. We select them all and use File, Print Report to generate the pallet drawings.